This is Mathias, and whether you're seeing this on Sunday or Monday, he has risen. I've got 3 things for you. Erotic poetry, the source code of the Matrix, and a silent retreat. Erotic poetry. The last several days have been, beyond anything that I could have ever imagined. I knew things by theory, but I have been having experiences that are like up-levelings and energy through my system and waves of bliss that have beyond anything that I have experienced before. I have to hold myself back from just writing erotic poetry and other kinds of poetry on the fly. Things are clicking together in a rate like never before. It's crazy. So if you're interested in seeing some of this, and I've gotten some really great feedback, put a link below or in the comments for poetry, and I'll send you a link. Number 2, the source code of the Matrix. One word: Sanskrit, Sanskrit, Sanskrit. This has been something also that I kind of knew by theory on the edges, but I've been experiencing it in the last couple of days and found something called the Shiva Sutras. It's basically 14 syllables that are the root of, essentially like the core syllables of creation itself. Now, I know that might sound kind of wild, but there's something here, and it's absolutely profound. It was written 2,300 years ago, and it's just absolutely wild. And so I will also post in the comments or in the link a video to one of the versions of that, so you can hear it and feel it for yourself. Number 3, silent retreat. I will be going to a silent retreat and been divinely guided to do so from May the 6th to the 11th in Coimbra, Portugal. And I would love for you to join me. Price is it's super reasonable. It's about $1,000. And the Mark and Marco who are putting it on are just absolutely delightful, and it will be my pleasure and privilege to be there. And so if you're interested in that, I can send you a PDF. Just put retreat in your comment, and if it's on Insta, then check out the text. See the link in the bio. Thank you. Much love. And I'll talk to you soon.